Would you smile at a stranger? अरे भाई रहने दो, इस देश में पॉसिबल नहीं है. What exactly are you wearing right now? Yeah, it's a top and here's a pajama. Relationship status. Now, listen guys, I'm 27. I'm an Indian girl who's 27 years old. At this age, we don't do relationship status. It is the marriage status. हो रही है, होने वाली है, हो चुकी है. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So for today's video, I really want you guys to know me personally on a deeper level. So I thought let's do something like assumptions video, something like a truth or dare, or maybe never have I ever, something like that. So yeah, this video is like an amalgamation of everything from assumptions to truth or dare, never have I ever. It's going to be spicy. I want it to be spicy, but I don't want it to be X-rated. It's still going to be children friendly. Just children shouldn't watch my channel, honestly. But yeah, whatever. So yeah, let's get into the video guys, let's go. So for the assumptions part, I did not get many assumptions. You guys don't have assumptions about me. Excuse me, how is that possible? Like every Indian person has a lot of assumption about every other Indian person. So I know you have a lot of them. And I think one assumption that I want to talk about is, people have about me. When they look at me from far, they're like, oh my god, that girl is a bitch. And when they... and when they meet me in person, they're like, no, you are nice. Then they get to know the real me and they're like, yeah, she is the bitch. That happens to me. And yeah, that is what it is. Like, I'm sorry, but this is how I am. I am very mean if you are bad to me, and I don't hold back when it comes to being petty, mean. So yeah, I'm just in that point of my life where I don't entertain negativity. I just want positivity all around me. I don't have many friends, but the ones I have, they are the ones that support me throughout. And I kid you not, like there are so many people that I've said bye-bye to because they were negative, and that is the energy you should channelize. So I am the bitch, then I'm the bitch. That is what it is. So this is literally how I am. So let's start off with the truth and dare thing. Now I did not find many questions honestly because I was just looking on Google and plain interest. Let me drink some water. I just tried to find as many questions I can. So this is the first question and it is more like a about me. I want you to know about me. So name Himanshi Vashisht if you don't know it. Nickname. Okay, I don't have any nickname. Like for some reason my family skipped that part totally about me. My sister has a nickname. My cousin has a nickname. I'm the only person that doesn't have a nickname. Like my mom has a nickname. My papa has a nickname. I don't have a nickname. Like why? Everybody has a nickname other than me in this whole entire world, and that is how it is. Really, I have grudges. My family, my dear family, I have grudges. Yeah, my sister has given me a nickname and she calls me Mouse. We call each other Mouse. We are the Mouse gang. This family is retarded. Okay. Age. My age is currently 26. I'll be 27 in November. I'm old. How many siblings? I have just one sister. I think if you are an OG on my channel, you know that I have a sister. How tall are you? I am 5 feet 2.5 inches. I am short. Okay, I'm short. My star sign is Scorpio, the mean sign. The next question is, do you want children? Excuse me, what am I supposed to do with this life if I'm not going to have children? What is an Indian girl supposed to do if she's not going to have babies? Okay, crushing on. Oh my god, I'm always crushing on somebody. I'm always crushing on somebody. Like I have this motto in life कि भगवान की बनाई खूबसूरती को appreciate करना सीखो. So every good thing that you see, appreciate it. And currently I'm crushing on the Captain America, Chris Evans. Yes, actually it's not crush, it's love. How many pets? I have one pet, Winnie. I made a video about him, and you know the other pet that I had back in the days, if you want to see that, I'll put that in the description box. It's a cry fest, so yeah, beware. Favorite season? My favorite season is around my birthday, November. You know, that fall season, that's my favorite season. Favorite color? Guys, come on, if you know me, you know my favorite color is blue. My soul color is blue. It's blue, it's blue, it's blue, it's blue. Dream job? Well, I'm doing the dream job right now, so yeah. I think my dream job has to be me starting my own brand, makeup brand. That has to be the dream currently. So now let's move into never have I ever, the spiciest point, never have I ever. So let me see. Are you a social or anti-social person? Anti-social into 10. Have you cried over a boy? Cried is an understatement over here. How do you look right now? Gorgeous. Have you ever shoplifted? No, sorry, I didn't. I should though. Should we? कभी करना चाहिए माउसेस कुछ उठा के भागे दीपक अंकल की दुकान से. बाहर से हो इसका पैकेट पता ही नहीं चलेगा. Never have I ever received a lap dance. Dude, I don't even know lap dance देने की जगह कहाँ पे है यहाँ पर. मेरे तो vicinity में कहीं नहीं है. So no, I haven't. Never have I ever had a friends with benefit. No, we don't do that. I'm very clear about certain things. I don't do friends with benefits. I don't do one night stands. I don't do live-ins. So yeah, I am old school when it comes to these things. So that is what it is. Never have I ever been skinny dipping. Now I have to do it seriously because अब questions मुझे जवाब देने पड़ेंगे. So I'm not skipping it. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Never have I ever been skinny dipping. Now I honestly I have this phobia of going into a water body which is literally in somewhere. Like I can't go to a water body. I'm really scared of that. So no, I haven't skinny dipped ever. Never have I ever been caught looking at something naughty. Have I been caught looking at something naughty? No, I haven't. No. Never have I ever made out with someone of the same sex. No, I haven't. Never have I ever had a crush on a co-worker. A co-worker, actually I've had a crush on a few, so yeah. As I said, appreciate what God has made, so I do that all the time. Never have I been to an adult store. We don't have adult stores here, so yeah, sorry, I didn't. Never have I ever bragged about something I have not done. Bragged about something I have not done. I must have done that. I have bragged about something I have not done. I'm quite sure. I'm super cool in my head, so I must have done that. Never have I ever driven drunk. I don't know how to drive. Never have I ever experimented to see my sexual orientation. I haven't experimented about my sexual orientation. I did give a very deep thought about it. I was like, am I sure I am straight? मुझे पक्का है ना कि मैं straight ही हूँ. I don't know why. I just had that phase. I was like, okay, am I sure? Yeah, and I think that was a phase after I had a bad breakup. So I was like, are you sure I'm into men? Am I not into girls? So yeah, I didn't experiment about it though. So yeah, I had that. Never have I ever said I love you just to get laid. I'm not that easy to get laid, okay? So I don't do that. Never have I ever spied on my neighbor. I was just doing it a few hours back. So yeah, I do that all the time. Never have I ever watched Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I have. You know, when that whole Jordan Wood scene happened, I did saw. I do see when there are huge scandals happening. I love scandals. Never have I ever really liked a song by Justin Bieber. I have actually. I like Sorry by Justin Bieber and Let Me Love You. There are a few songs that I like, so it's okay. Never have I ever done a handstand with one hand. I can't stand on my feet, people. I can't properly stand on my feet. Hands to rehne hi do. Never have I ever stalked an ex's boyfriend or girlfriend on social media. But for some reason, none of my exes have a current or I don't know if my exes have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. I mean girlfriend. So जिनका मुझे पता नहीं है मैं stalk कैसे करूँगी. Yeah, I have stalked my exes though. I stalk them all the time. So yeah. Never have I ever escaped from class. College में a lot. School में no. College में बहुत. Okay. Never have I ever had an open relationship. No. Open relationship is not my thing. Never have I ever fallen in love with anyone through social network. Actually, I have. Never have I ever lied in this game. No, I didn't lie in this game. Never have I ever said an I love you without feeling it. I have said it. I have. तुम तो अपना रोलो. तुम्हें तो हर तकलीफ खुद की है. Never have I ever stuck gum under a desk. I have. I have done that. I am that jerk. Never have I eaten flour. Never have I eaten food that fell on the floor. अभी शायद मैंने 2 दिन पहले ही करा था. कुछ गिरा था और मैंने उठा के खा लिया था. Listen, come on यार, मेरा ही घर है, मेरा ही फर्श है, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. Never have I ever fallen asleep on the bus and I've passed my station. That happened to me once when I was doing BTech. मैं सोई हुई थी and I kid you not, it was just that कि जो हमारे ड्राइवर थे रवि भैया, उन्हें पता था कि इसने यहाँ उतरना है. He was like उठ जा, चली जा, उतर जा. और वो भी like थोड़ा सा आगे थे. They were like अच्छा ये भी तो आई थी, वो पढ़िया सो रही है, चल उतर और जा. It was funny, very funny actually, but thankfully not done that on, you know, a random roadways ki bus. Okay, this is the last set. Never have I ever illegally taken something across the border. मैंने border से बाहर जाके नहीं देखा. I'm sorry. Finished an entire jawbreaker. I hate jawbreakers. Like I'm sorry, but this much meetha and that too hard to eat. No. I haven't had like a full jawbreaker. Never have I ever been in handcuffs, as in handcuffs वो रागनी वाले नहीं, जेल वाले बिल्कुल नहीं. Never have I ever fallen asleep in cinema. I did. I went to watch Tamasha. It was such a boring movie. I literally slept. I just slept in the movie. I said what I said. Never have I ever done something I regret. Now this is something in my life that I highly you know, make sure that I don't do is to regret. So every decision that I take, I make sure that I don't regret it. I don't regret things that I do, so there's no regret. That's it. That is it for this video. I think it is a long ass video. It was so hard to find questions, but I do think I have just answered a few spicy ones. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And there is this moth in the room. So yeah. Bye.